Alright guys, so this is what the fence lights look like once you install them. So they are solar. They're not super bright at nighttime, but you can easily see them. So overall, they're really nice.
How you guys doing today? I hope you're having a good day. So today we are checking out these solar lights. I love solar lights. Well, I love anything solar. So these are actually, if I'm correct, these are probably one of the most simplest and easiest lights to install for your deck, for your fencing, and anywhere with that you can mount them like this. So they're gonna get mounted on like this. So so let's see here. Looks like it doesn't start until you pull this tab. Double-sided tape with these, and that's because some people like screwing in their fences or decks. I personally don't like to do it unless I have to. So with this, we can just simply put double-sided tape right here. We already have it, and then we can stick it right on, and it stays on forever. I mean, it lasts a long time. So go ahead, pull this out. Now as we move our hand over the panel, so if you guys can see, the light comes on. So that is going to be the color of the light, and you can test out your light by just simply covering the panel with your hand once you pull that tab.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we have them on, and we just use double-sided tape. So they are good to go. This actually reminds me we need to pressure wash our fence here. But anyway, as you can see, they are on. They're not going anywhere. Overall, very nice. We'll have to see them at night now. Alright guys, we're going to go show you the fence lights, show you what they look like. Alright guys, so this is what the fence lights look like once you install them. So they are solar. They're not super bright at nighttime, but you can easily see them. So overall, they're really nice.